how to actually adjust brightness on your Epson projector while you're actually projecting, okay, as you can see right now. So this is what you're going to be doing. So I want you to look at this Epson projector on the surface right here. So we have these buttons, so I want you to keep note of these buttons. I'm actually going to be using this video. So to decrease, we are going to be using this. To increase this. To move up, we use this. To move down, we use this. Now let's focus on the screen. Now I want us to press the menu button right here, this menu button, so that you have this display on your screen. You have that. You see color mode, okay, then brightness. Now move to the right using this button. Press that so that you can move to the right. You have the color mode, okay, then you have the brightness. So right now the brightness you can see right now. So you're going to press this enter option right here so that you can enter the brightness option. Now to decrease the brightness, use this other button down here. So you're going to continue pressing that to decrease brightness, okay. You can see that, right? See it's decreasing to 85, 70 something. You know, you can continue decreasing the brightness on your Epson projector. Now if you want to increase the brightness, come back right here, use this other button right here. So you keep on increasing. When you press the button, you keep on increasing the brightness on your Epson projector. Isn't it? That's how you actually increase and decrease brightness on your Epson projector. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel if you actually pick value in this video about this Epson projector tutorial.